Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw funds from TradingView in 2026. Most importantly, how the withdrawals actually work because TradingView itself doesn't hold your money. Let me explain this later in this video. But for now, you will have to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you are looking for the TradingView premium subscription discounts, look no further because their Black Friday sale is here. In this particular sale, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional on all of the subscriptions at TradingView. So only 2 days left in this deal. If you are interested, make sure to check out the link in the description and explore the offers. Now here on this particular panel, simply hover over to the products section and click on it. You can also use this search bar here on the top and you can simply launch the chart in front of you. Over here, once your chart is loaded successfully, simply click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom. If you are seeing any kind of balance over here, it simply means that you have connected your broker with it. It can be any broker that is available here for the connection. So for example, if I click on the option of paper trading, you will see that I have this much balance available here in this section. So even if you have added any kind of brokers over here, you will see the funds here, but you won't be able to withdraw your funds from TradingView because as I've told you earlier, TradingView doesn't hold your money. It is the tool that you can basically use for analysis. But in order to withdraw your money, you will have to go to the broker's official website. So if you have connected your, let's say, XM account with TradingView and now you want to withdraw your money, instead of looking for that withdraw option here on the TradingView, you need to open a new tab. Then you need to look for the broker's website. After that, simply log in into your account, and inside your account you will see the withdrawal option and bunch of other options with the help of which you can withdraw the money in your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.